So, in this video we're going to consider past paper, November 2025, analysis and approaches, high-level paper 2. In this question we'll consider question number 5. Let's make an overview. So it is 5 marks, and obviously this question about the statistics given the class and the frequency, discrete data, and it is given that we should estimate the mean and standard deviation first. To do so, we have to find the mid class, right? Mid class. So we have to write the mid interval in each part, and after that we can use calculator, okay? So the mid interval here, the mid interval is 17.5, then 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, 37.5, right? Okay, now you can use these two columns for calculator. You can type these values into calculator. It's depend which calculator you have, Casio TI or TI Inspire, and then after that you can find the mean and standard deviation. Just make sure that you use the one variable statistics, and the mean will be equal to 27.5, and the standard deviation to 3 significant figures to 6.26. Okay, now let's have a read next sentence. The data can be approximated by normal distribution. So this is a tricky content. Here we have to be very, very careful. What does it mean? It means that this data follows the normal distribution. So it's not obligatory follows precisely, but it could be approximated. It means that we can use the idea and concept of normal distribution to find the following thing. It's written that use this information and your mean and standard deviation. So explicitly, we have to use the answers on the part A to find an approximate value of interquartile range. Okay, two significant figures, interquartile range. So we know that the IQR, interquartile range, is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1. Okay, that's why we need Q3 and Q1. Third quartile satisfies the area of 0.75, right? So it is 75% of the data. So that's why we should find the value of here, inverse value, that gives us 0.75% of the 75% of the area, so 0.75. That's why we will use inverse normal. So before that, let me write that x distributed normally with mean 27.5 and standard deviation 6.26. Okay, and now we have to press inverse. We have to find inverse normal in calculator and plug the following values. The values are the area 0.75, mean 27.5, and standard deviation 6.26. And after that you will get the value of 31.77248. Let's leave it for decimal places because we will use this in future calculations. So it is our value of Q3, right? The same way we will find the value of Q1. So again, it's inverse normal, and here the area will be 0.25, 27.5, 6.26, and the value will be 23.2751. So this is Q1, and now we're going to plug our values here in the calculation. So 31.72. So you, of course, everything here you can do using your calculator because it is paper 2, right? 27.51. So the final answer is 8.4 to two significant figures, okay? 8.4. So that's how we can solve question number 5. Hope it is clear. Write your any answers or questions. Write your questions and the reactions in comments and press like. See you in the next video. Let's make math easier together.